A thunderstorm created several tornadoes in the middle and south of the U.S. It was very unusual because the tornadoes came when cold weather normally limits tornadoes. Kentucky was the worst hit state, as 70 people died there and thousands of homes and businesses were without electricity. One tornado destroyed a candle factory with more than 100 people inside. The U.S. President Joe Biden declared a disaster in Kentucky, and he promised some help to people who had no food and water. The storm moved from Arkansas and Missouri into Tennessee and Kentucky. Strong winds destroyed buildings, toppled trees and cars, and damaged power lines. The tornadoes destroyed an area that was more than 320 kilometers long.